The iPhone 12 has been released for quite a while now, so today I'll do a quick unboxing and also teach you how to buy it cheaper in Singapore. Coming up. Alright my friends, welcome back to the Honey Money SG channel. My name is Christopher and today my focus is to talk about how to save money buying an iPhone, while I'll give you a quick unbox of what is inside the contents of the iPhone 12. So today with me I have the iPhone 12 and also the 20-watt power adapter. But first let me talk about how to buy this iPhone 12 cheap. Okay, so this iPhone 12 is the 128GB model, which is the white color as well. So it retails at around $1,349 in the Apple retail store. But if you want to buy it cheaper, where else can you buy from? So there are a few options where people buy their iPhone from. Specifically today I want to recommend you buying from the Qoo10 website. The link is in the description box below. You can check it out. Basically it is selling at $1,240 for the iPhone 12 128GB model. So you save more than $100 buying off the e-commerce website compared to what you buy in the Apple store. And why can these stores price it much cheaper than Apple? Okay, so basically how these mobile shops work is that people will sell off their new phones brand new unsealed to them at a cheaper price. These local mobile retail shops will actually sell them at a higher price so they can capture the profit margin. So it's a very typical buy low and sell high strategy. And sometimes if they list their products on the e-commerce websites, these e-commerce websites will actually offer vouchers, discounts, credit card rebates in order to get customers to buy their products. So you could actually use those kind of discount vouchers and rebates to fully maximize the discount by buying these iPhone products. Once again, check out the description link below. I have all the details of how you can buy it. You can buy this iPhone 12 at $1,240, which is really cheap compared to what you have in the Apple store. Alright, so let's get on to the iPhone 12 unboxing. Let's take a look at the box size. You can see that it is significantly thinner than the past few years iPhone boxes. Let's take a moment and go back in time 6 years in 2015. Enter the iPhone 6s Plus. This was the flagship phone of Apple's 2015 launch, and you could compare how much the size difference, right? Look at it. It's just half of the original iPhone 6s Plus size, while having a bigger screen and smaller bezel. So this shows how much Apple has innovated over the years. And also talk about the reason why they could do this with their packaging. Apple has excluded the power adapter from their iPhone 12, so you don't have this inside the box here. So that constitutes to a bit of the dimension, weight and the volume. And also I want to talk about the reason why Apple did this. Contrary to what they said in the video about environment, right? There's an even higher focus on cost. Firstly, they don't need to supply this power brick. This itself, they could use it as another avenue for revenue generation. So they will sell you these power adapters separately so you can buy them, and that increases their revenue. Now secondly, let's talk about logistics costs. With a smaller dimension, you can put more iPhones within the box itself. And if you can put more iPhones within a box, you can ship more units per box. That means your freight costs, your transportation costs, your storage and warehouse costs, and supply chain costs is going to be much lower because your product now occupies less space while shipping more units. Think about it, last time one box can only hold maybe 10 iPhones and now it can hold like 20 of them. The transportation cost savings is immense. The warehousing storage cost is also half because they take up half the space when they're storing it in their warehouse inventory. So that's where Apple is coming from. Of course, there are some concerns on the environment bit, but I believe this is the main driver, which is the cost savings. So after we compare this, let's put this aside first and look at what we have in the iPhone 12 box. Here we have the pull tab as usual, which will help you unseal the iPhone 12 box easily without any tools. Alright, here we go. And here's the iPhone 12. We have this iPhone 12 in white color with a paper pull tab. Let's set this aside first. Look at the paperwork. What we have here, we have a SIM ejector, some instruction manual, warranty, and one Apple sticker. Okay, let's put it back. And over here in the box, we don't have a charger brick like I mentioned earlier. We have a USB-C to Lightning cable. So Apple has not adapted the USB-C port on any of their iPhones yet. Okay, and let's take a look on the iPhone 12 itself. So here's the paper pull tab. And here we go on the iPhone 12. So that's all we have in the box. Let me also unbox this 20-watt adapter and see what does it have. So on the bottom of the box, you have what it says, a USB-C power adapter, 20 watts. So if you're like me living in Singapore, you get the UK 3-pin adapter. Let's unseal this with a pull tab. Okay, so other than power adapter, we have the instruction manual. And we have the power adapter itself, protected with a thin plastic seal. Okay, so this is the 3-pin UK plug version. You can see that it is fully enclosable. And it can extend out as needed when you want to use it. So very simple plug, USB-C. So then you will see the Apple logo right inside this hole right here. And then you can close it when you do not want it. Yep, so that's about it for the full iPhone 12 and also the 20-watt power adapter unboxing. Wrapping up, the iPhone 12 is indeed a great value device if you are considering to enter into the iOS for the first time. It packs a good OLED screen and also a superior processor, so you won't experience a lot of lag times when using your phone. You could also take great pictures with the camera, and coupled with the A14 Bionic chip, it will make your pictures look great and high quality. So remember to use the link in my description box below so that you can get the best purchase deal for your iPhone 12. You can also find the link for the 20-watt power adapter as well. Alright, so if you have enjoyed the video and have learned something new today, please help me click the like button below and recommend it to your friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so that you can receive the earliest update of the next video and I could share more content like this. Thank you and have a great day. I'll see you guys on the next one.